So, welcome to Limone in Lake Garda. So today we're going to be exploring the town and then hopefully take the boat over to Melchesney and see what that's like. So I've arrived at lunchtime, so I think my first stop will be to go and get some delicious food. Well, I've got to say, that sorbet is by far the best I've ever had anywhere. Amazing. So heading up to the Lemon Museum now, which isn't normally something I would go in for, but it looks like it could be interesting, so let's take a look. As you can see, it's just started to rain. I think there's a thunderstorm on the way, but should give us enough time to have a quick look through the Lemon Museum, and let's see how we go. So even though it looks like we're in some sort of ruined building and this is where all the lemon trees are, these are actually purpose built for the lemon trees. And it's amazing. And these are all over Lake Garda, these kind of giant buildings which they call lemon greenhouses, even though there's no glass or anything. But yeah, it's actually quite interesting here. As you can see, the lemons are absolutely huge. Another benefit of being here at the Lemon Museum is you get one of the best views overlooking the town of Limone as well. So yeah, and it's bargain as well. It's only €2 to get in, so highly recommended.